at the Valley Brat launch party.
Launch party!
Take you there, back to when we felt like this was the right.
Yay!
Right there.
Right there. Woo! We're here. Going to the water park today, Summer. Yeah, it's called Wild Rivers.
I'm doing one race. Mommy, Daddy's going backwards.
Yeah.
Daddy's going backwards.
Daddy's going backwards.
Some go forward.
Summer, go forward. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Summer moon. You excited? Let's go.
Summer, I don't know if you're tall enough for the rides. With the hair, it works.
Daddy era. Rain, I guess, wanted her mom, but the boys over here. Got a little me time. Hey, cutie. Oh, okay. Oh, wow, okay. SOFI Stadium. You got Beyonce tonight. I was just here for Taylor Swift. Now I got Beyonce. Yes. Everyone's in their silver except Scheana.
Way to call me out.
I'm excited. Oh, sweet, all to ourselves. Going to look at? I'll show you where it is. You want to go see the moon?
No, it's gone.
It's not gone.
No, it's behind the tree.
It's a pink, or no, it's not a pink,
Blue.
it's a blue.
There we go, Summer.
Blue.
Daddy will show you.
Full super moon.
No,
Summer, you were born on a pink?
Come in.
Full super moon.
Mama, Daddy, Terry you.
Rawr.
Right there.
Yeah. It's a big moon, isn't it?
A tiny little blue one.
Yeah.
A blue one.
Oh, that's a big, it's really big and bright, isn't it?
So tonight is a super full blue moon. Summer was born on a super pink moon. And apparently this full blue moon isn't gonna happen again for like 14 years. So before she goes to bed, we wanted to show her the moon.
Oh yeah, it's bandit. Okay.
Oh, okay. I was like, hey, Bandit. Where's your daddy? Oh, there he is.
He's over here. You looking at the moon? Oh, we can't see it this close. Hi, Diane.
Hi.
Oh, you can't see the moon. It's behind.
That's it.
Summer, you see the moon? How big it is up there? Yeah.
Daddy, no. It's right there.
Oh, is that where the moon is? Well, it's moving pretty quick.
Do you think the werewolves are out tonight?
What?
What sound do the werewolves make?
Ow.
Ow!
This werewolf say ow.
Yeah. They come out on a full moon.
A full moon?
A full moon. All right, it's bedtime. Bath time.
No, I need to eat the little one.
Oh, okay.
Mimi. Oh, Mimi. What's the full moon? It's super. Right there.
Right there. What kind of moon is it?
A tiny superhero. What's the little blue one?
Yeah.
A tiny little blue one.
It's a tiny little blue superhero moon, Summer says.
A tiny blue one.
Mm-hmm.
A superhero.
Yeah.
I can't go up here, down there.
Yeah.
Let's go down there.
You want to go down there?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go down there and see it.
Oh, I can't see up here.
You can't see it? It's right there in the sky.
I can't see it.
Right there.
No, not down there.
Oh, that's the pool, honey.
Oh.
I'm going to try and zoom in. Right there.
I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair, but those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there?